we'll talk through how to manipulate or cleanse some data in a column or multiple columns at once. In this case, we're loading some data from a database where we've got zip code data and state data. As we can see, the zip code is only 3 digits and being cast as an integer. So what we want to do is make sure that we pad this with zeros to make it a 5-digit zip code so that it matches other zip code data in our system. To manipulate data in an entire column across all rows, we can use the filler node. The filler node will fill in records based on some conditions and perform some operation. So if we open up a filler node, we can see that we've got a columns to fill dropdown where we can select one or more columns. In this case, we'll just choose the zip column, and a text box here where we can enter some JavaScript code. And this JavaScript can be really any code that you want. You've got all the flexibility of JavaScript here, so you can make, complicated if statements, as complex logic as you need to perform the operation that you desire. In this case, we'll do something relatively simple. We've got some code here to pad our field with zeros. What you'll notice is that even in the example and right here, we've got this @field notation. And what this will do is apply this operation to all fields that you have selected across all rows. So in this case, we've got one column selected, and this @field is really referring to the zip column of data. So here we're pulling 5 zeros in, appending that to our zip code data, and then taking a substring, taking the rightmost 5 digits of that data, so that no matter what number is being read in, we'll always pull in 5 digits with zeros in the front. So we can go ahead and preview that. And you can see that we've got now a 5-digit zip code with the numeric value, zeros in front, and Euclid knows that it is now a string value as opposed to a number.